All right, Mr. Carlson is here again today to help you make pan pipes. So I am in your science packet if you're online. It's online. If you're in person, you have a paper of it, and it's the page that says pan pipes. And I'm going to start reading right at the top after where it says the title, pan pipes. A pan pipe is an instrument that can be blown into to make musical notes. Today you will be making a pan pipe using straws. You will need to measure and cut the straws at specific lengths. Once the straws are cut, you will tape them together using masking tape. We're actually just going to use regular clear tape, and you guys can use my tape that is at my desk for this, and you'll have your substitute teacher help you out with that. All right, so step 1 says measure and cut straws the following lengths, and you have all these links down on your paper so you'll be able to see. The first straw is 19.5 centimeters. Okay, so Mr. Carlson is taking a straw and he's figuring out, he lined it up right at the end and he's cutting it at 19.5 centimeters. Okay, the next straw, now he's going to need another one probably. The next straw is 17 centimeters. And there is a total of 8 straws, Mr. Carlson, okay? I think we'll have enough. It'll be okay. If not, we will leave off a couple of the straws at the end. All right, 17 centimeters. The next one is 15.5 centimeters. Here he goes. 14.5. And we might run out of sizes, but that's okay because we can improvise, which means just use what you have to make it the best of it. Okay, so that was 4 straws, right? Now 13 centimeters. See how he's organizing his straws and he's putting his ends in a pile, and then he's putting his straws that he'll use in a pile. Now your straws might fling everywhere. Just make sure to pick them up and be clean in the classroom. So what straw? How many straws was that?
That's 5.
Oh, look, now he's going to use his ends. So, Mr. Carlson, how many did you do?
I did 5, but I'm going to put the ends on here too.
Oh, okay, so he's going to put his ends on. And how many straws did you use total, Mr. Carlson?
I used 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Well, you
but I
only
cut
need-
them in half, so that's 5.
Okay, well, you only need 8 straws in yours. So let's go back to straw 5. And we're going to measure out the rest of it to make it look nice and pretty, since we have enough straws. So go back to where you have 5 straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then take the rest off.
Some of these were...
Yep. Okay, so those are the cut ones. All right, so straw 6 is going to be 11.5 centimeters.
I can't do that. Oh, no, I can't.
Oh, there you go. He used his problem-solving skills. Good job. Okay, and then the next one is 10 centimeters.
Oh, I can do this.
Yeah.
So you only need 5 straws.
Okay. And then after 10 centimeters is 9.5 centimeters. Now, there might not be enough straws for you to make all of the straws, and that's okay. You can just make your pan pipe have 5 straws if there's enough for that. So what your substitute teacher will probably do is give each of you a straw to measure and cut, and then keep giving you straws, and then figure out how many straws your pan pipe can have. It will work either way. Okay, now he's lining it all up like this. Okay, I gotta read you the directions. It says, lay the straws next to each other with the ends lined up. Look at you, you already did it. They should be in order from longest to shortest. So no matter how many straws you have, as long as they're in order from longest to shortest, you will be just fine. Okay, step 3 says use a large piece of masking tape, but we have just regular tape, that's okay, to tape the straws together. So this part is going to be a little bit tricky. You're going to have to use patience to tape all of these together. See how he's being really careful and he's laying the piece of tape right on top? Yeah, and then he's going to stick them all on, make sure they're all stuck. Yeah. And then he's going to pick it up and maybe fold it over. And that's probably good after that. Yeah, so your substitute teacher can give you some tape to do that part. And then you're done with your panpipes. There you go. Yours might not look as big as that because there might not be enough straws for everybody, but that's okay. All right. And next it says, oh, just wait. Now it's time to play your panpipe. Hold your panpipe so that the sides of the same length are near your mouth. You will now blow into different straws. Blow into the longest straw. Then blow into the shortest straw. What difference in sound do you notice? Ooh, I noticed that one is low pitch and one is high pitch. What do you notice? Maybe try to blow on it like a flute. Do you know how to blow like a flute? Like, yeah. Ah, that's working better, huh? Now blow. Ooh, now I really notice.
I wonder if they're different frequencies.
Oh, they might have different, they might be. Ooh, we'll have
or
to look
different amplitudes.
You would have to look back at your wave. You would have to look back at your wave diagram to see. Now, what happens when you plug? Ooh, that's pretty cool. What happens when you plug the end of the straw with your finger? Now try to play it like a flute. Did anything happen? Did it make a different sound? Yeah. Okay, so now the last question here is think about what you have learned about sound waves. Why do you think the sound waves are different with the different size straws? You might have to go back and look at your sound wave diagram and look back at when we read about sound waves and learned about sound waves to help you. But just try your best with answering the questions and see if you can get it. All right, have fun.